this town, mad 'cause I can't lose the same 5 pounds that I've been trying to lose for 3 or 4 years now. Sometimes I feel like a truck that just won't run on the side of the road in the July sun, and there ain't another car for miles I can thumb down. Well, I guess every now and then you're gonna land on a bad day. Though I still do, I know I can't complain, 'cause I love what I do, love where I'm at, love a strong cup of coffee and my old black hat, my big wool blanket, sleeping in my cowboy boots. Love my old bird dog, I like to watch him run. Love my red guitar, I bang around on some, and I love you, baby, I love you. Heaven to me is a simple thing, it's just you and me and a phone that don't ring. Popcorn popping, wanna lay around Friday night. Seeing your smile when I wake up, you slide to the middle of my pickup truck. The way you say, baby, it's gonna be alright now. When I walk in at the end of a worn out day, I see you there, baby, how can I complain? 'Cause I love what I do, love where I'm at, love a strong cup of coffee and my old black hat, my big wool blanket, sleeping in my cowboy boots. Love my old bird dog, I like to watch him run. Love my red guitar, I bang around on some, and I love you, baby, I love you. I love where I've been, but I don't look back. I thank God for the life He lets me have. My big wool blanket, sleeping in my cowboy boots. Love my old bird dog, I like to watch him run. Love my red guitar, I bang around on some, and I love you, baby, I love you, baby, I love yes, I